Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel BD Art Valley. Today I will draw Hino AK1J model bus. This bus is currently running under the fleet of Starline Paribohan. Hope everyone like this video and everyone try to watch the full video. Press the like button if you like the video, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe.